it seems like a really big lift to convince tech founders that their creative director hire is more important than their CTO or the head of product. Like that the creative director is more important, is going to play a more foundational role than the person in charge of like the product, for example. Like that to me seems like a big ask. They'll probably be like, it doesn't matter if the product sucks. So that product has like that person's definitely more important. Uh, that's what my brain goes to. Do you think that people think that way? Does it like we need to convince them? Like, where do you stand on it?
Well, that's not the question. The question is it's that creative direction is the moat. It's the final thing that is going to make your brand different from everybody else. Because the problem with all the AI stuff, particularly in the realm of like a technical founder, is that that is going to become way more commoditized than a creative director. Like the amount of people now who are going to know how to code or like get to the point where they could help ship a product, even if they're a prompt engineer or really good at using AI developer tools, that is programmatic stuff where you have it's what's the phrase that you use, Corey? Deterministic.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Deterministic.
yeah, it's deterministic,
Uh,
where you should have very clear outputs for very clear inputs, at least as far as functionality goes. Having all that work together and then making it beautiful on top of that, I think that that would fall under the role, like that's something a creative director would handle. Uh, and that's just harder to find. Like someone who has taste, but then also a sense of business strategy, like, and can marry those two together. I think that that's going to become rare, especially because, well, even with like just attention deficits in the newer generations who are going to be dependent on all this AI stuff. It's like, well, where's the person who doesn't just throw in prompts willy nilly and like pretend like they're going to just create a hodgepodge of random stuff that doesn't cohere. You
uh,
need somebody who's able to refine and cohere everything.